Cool. Hi, hello. I would like to start with a bit of poetry. So, as we know, we all live in a world of ample choice. And sometimes it's not a blessing, especially when it comes to fashion. Because more choice we have, harder is to make the one. Not even the right one, just the one. But there are some people who can afford to hack it, like Mark Zuckerberg, Barack Obama, Steve Jobs with their powerful everyday outfits. Others are trying to find the way how to hack it. And we can see clearly on these Google searches that the search for capsule wardrobe soared in the last several years. What we do, we employ the latest technology to solve the literal I have nothing to wear issue. Let's see how it's done. We're using the really cool set of new technology just to figure out, with the help of image recognition, what are the items that you already have in your wardrobes, that you do not need to take pictures or answer all these boring surveys. And please give it a try. Just scan this barcode or search for Epytom Stylist in the Messenger app. And while you're starting your own, oh, sorry, people are doing it. So just giving you a second. While you're starting your own dialogue chat with your personal stylist, I would like to show you a video of how we did it and why did we do it.
Did you know the fashion industry doesn't think in seasons anymore? To stay competitive, they need to sell more and cheaper each day. Over 25 million workers make less than $1 per hour. 10.5 million tons of clothing end up in the US landfills. The industry keeps it quiet, but stylists know the more we buy, the further away we are from the perfect style. So we conducted a deep research of what exactly a good style meant over the last 50 years. We singled out the 40 pieces of clothing that style icons from Audrey Hepburn and Steve McQueen to Olivia Palmero and David Beckham wore in common. Then, we styled over 1,000 everyday looks for every possible occasion from those 40 pieces. Every day, we send you one personalized look straight to your messenger. You don't have to fill out endless forms and photograph your wardrobe for hours. You can wear these looks right away because you already own most of the 40 pieces. In the 80s, Donna Karan revolutionized a busy modern woman's wardrobe with her 7 easy pieces. Today, Facebook's Mark Zuckerberg and fashion designer Karl Lagerfeld wear their signature outfits day after day. We are tens of thousands and counting. Everything in our closets matches. We save money in over 12 hours each week. And spend this time with the ones we love, doing things we enjoy. Join us.
So just a quick example of my morning. I already passed the onboarding stage with the bot, apparently. So it analyzed my pictures, it knows my body type, it knows my color, it knows weather in my location because I shared my location. And I just typed in the question of what should I wear for a presentation today, and I've got this look. So my mornings are really fashionable and easy now, and it's especially important when you have loud kids running around you. And it recommended me to wear a blazer with jeans, with some certain styling tip. That's what I followed. That's pretty much how it works for both men and women. And yeah, we've already talked about technology. Today, we are ready to make a big announcement. It seems like it's actually easy on the surface, the question of what to wear, but it's one of the most complex questions that we are asking ourselves every day because of its subjectivity and the amount of different variables. And we were answering to this question to 500,000 of users for the last 18 months, and we were receiving 5 million queries from them. And based on all of that, we got to be ready to move ahead and build our own natural language processes, algorithms. The way how it works, we tackle this issue with 2-steps technology. On the first step, we are recognizing the query from, is it just a chit-chat query or a search intent? We are using some deep learning algorithms in order to do that, and we already achieved 99% accuracy at this step based on our internal evaluation. And then the second step, we're using a traditional search algorithms. We build kind of like a mini Google. So when you're actually asking what to wear with my jeans, we're searching for looks that's going to be tailored to your weather, to your agenda, and to your personality. Let's see how it works in a fun love story in between these two screens of iPhones. It's probably not loud enough. There is some music of the restaurant. Yeah, like kind of glasses. So we've seen great success with what we're doing. We've been named the best AI styling advice, and we were featured at F8 conference, and we're getting about 5 million of messages every month now. Thank you so much for VentureBeat and for Matt for having us here and being able to share this story with you. Thank you.